In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice template in Zoho Invoice using Google Chrome. Let's dive right in, making sure that your invoicing reflects your business brand perfectly. First things first, let's access Zoho Invoice in your Chrome browser and get logged in. If you're already familiar with Zoho Invoice, you likely have your username and password ready to go. Just key those in, and any two-factor authentication if you have it set up. Ideally, this is the hub where you manage all your financial transactions, so it's important to keep it secure and accessible. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Settings menu. You'll find this typically at the top or side of your screen, depending on how your dashboard is configured. Settings is your go-to spot for a personalized experience in Zoho, allowing you to adapt the platform to fit your needs. After opening Settings, look for the Templates section. Templates are crucial as they hold the framework for how your invoices look before they go out to clients. This is where you can choose something that's both functional and visually appealing, representing your brand effectively. Click on Templates to begin customizing. You'll next want to select the current invoice template you're using. If you haven't interacted much with this section before, you'll find a default option already selected by Zoho. But today, we're going to make it more uniquely yours. Browse through the selection and take note of what resonates with your brand style. Here, you have the choice to either select a brand new template entirely or customize the existing one you have. If you choose a new template, make sure it supports the information your invoices need to carry. But if you're happy with the structure of your current one, it might just need a bit of tweaking in design. Customization is all about making your invoice template complement your brand's identity. You can start by adjusting the colors to fit your brand's logo, or use fonts that match your website's aesthetics. Play with the layout, shift things around to see what looks best. The beauty of customization is that these changes, while subtle, can make a big difference in how professional and coherent your documentation appears to clients. After you've tweaked your template to perfection, remember to save these changes. It's easy to get carried away with edits, so safeguarding your work ensures your effort isn't lost. But before we wrap up, there's one more crucial step. Preview your invoice template. This is your moment to make sure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. A good preview will show how the template looks with actual data instead of placeholder text, so you can be confident in the final result. And there you have it. A customized invoice template in Zoho Invoice